Hi guys, my name is Umair and welcome to Umair Workshop. This is the video of update video of the previous video where I have made this incubator, and this is a 12-volt incubator insulated, and it was working well on the 12-volt DC, which was I was using this battery. Now in that video I have told that I will make gasket for this incubator, so this is how it looks like. It is a very simple mechanism. Let me show you. Alright, so this one, this is a gas stove, and I have placed one candle. By one candle I have put this aluminium tray. These are two aluminium trays I have merged together. These are two aluminium tray. I make a hole in this, and on this tray, aluminium tray, I put the soil. Normal soil you can find anywhere. Just put it on over this, and this is a 12-volt DC fan. Just put it on like that, and after that I will use this cup, plastic cup, and this is going to be a pipe. I am going to insert this pipe over here, and it will be like this. So let's see how much heat we can find in this. It is increasing because the candle is burning and is giving all the heat to the soil, and the soil is getting warm, and it is warm. The fan is sucking out all the hot air which is being made inside of this chamber kind of metal I made. So see, this is 37.1 right now. While checking out, it was going around like 38, which is enough for the incubator, but it is directly on here. It will take some time to get to that point where it will 38 in the incubator, because it will trap out all the heat inside of the incubator. So yeah, it's working very well. 37.9, which is ideal temperature for the incubator. It's going over the 38. So yeah, this is a gas kit which can also be used for heating heating your room in a cold place, something like that. You are converting candle energy into air energy, hot air. So see, this is working very well. It's getting 38, and I'm going to make this wire into this, and then we are going to check if it is enough for this kind of this big incubator. Because if you haven't seen this incubator video, you can check out this previous video. It may be coming up in the link upside or in the description. So if you want to make a 12-volt incubator, you can check this out.